Specifi permits also to manage and create elevation viewports. Before running and inserting the elevation in our layout, we can move to model space again. And we can use from layout toolbar, we can use elevation view. Elevation view asks me to identify the elevation ID I want to assign. For example, we can insert a letter or a number. And we can press OK button. Now it asks to identify the first point of the elevation line. So I can insert the first point and then the second point there. If you want, it's possible also to identify the elevation line, so the next one will be number 2, and insert a double section plane, activating this option, just to hide all the object behind this line. When you press OK button, you can insert the second elevation line, as we did before, and then we can insert also the reference line. In this way, for elevation number 2, it doesn't show me anything related to the cooking equipment. So now we can move to our layout to insert our elevation viewport. We can move to our A0 and we can run again 2D, 3D view. Now we can choose the last option, elevation, and as you can see, we have elevation ID 11 or 22, the same we have inserted in a model space. If you want, you can leave auto size and lock view. In my case, I prefer to remove auto size just to identify the dimension of the viewport by myself, and also lock view, because in this case I can enter inside the viewport and use pan command to move the drawing inside the viewport. We can choose also the scale factor, supposing we can choose scale 1.25, and we can press OK button to confirm. Now I can identify the first point and second point, maybe like this. As you can see, the software created my elevation. So now I can move, I can enter inside, and I can use pan command just to drag and drop in order to center the drawing inside the viewport. We can repeat the command to insert also the second elevation. So elevation, we remove always, we set the same scale or a different scale, and we can insert. As you can see, it hides completely all the equipment behind the second line. For the elevation, then, you can always change inside shade plot property of the viewport. Instead of legacy hidden, you can apply a different shading.